The march of OpenClaw continues. In previous two videos, I showed you how to get it installed with Ollama and LM Studio. In this video, I am going to integrate OpenClaw with skills. Not only I am going to do a hands-on demo with local model with Ollama, I am also going to explain these skills in as simple way as possible. Plus, I am also going to tell you how you can get it integrated with MoltBook. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. So I believe that even before we begin with this integration, it's really important to understand what exactly is this skill. Think of this skill as instruction manual for your agents or AI agents. A skill is simply a directory or folder containing a skill.md file that teaches your agent how to perform specific tasks. It's like giving your AI a specialized knowledge base for particular domain. Skills use something called as progressive disclosure. When OpenClaw starts, it loads only the name and description of each skill, just enough to know when it might be relevant. When a task matches a skill's description, the agent reads the full instruction. This keeps the agent fast while giving it access to deep knowledge on demand. And this fastness is one reason why this OpenClaw has become so popular. The beauty of this system is its simplicity. Skills are just markdown files with YAML front matter, and I will show you shortly. No complex APIs, no heavy frameworks, just instructions in plain text that both humans and AI can read and understand. Now let's see what skills are currently available on my system. By the way, I am running this Ubuntu system, and if you're looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. I already have OpenClaw installed. Let me quickly show you the version. And I already have Ollama based model which is running locally, and for the purpose of this demo I'm using this GLM 4.7. Again, if you don't know how to integrate both of these, just go to my channel, search with OpenClaw and watch this first video. You can also do the same with LM Studio. Okay, let's go back. So you see that everything is looking cool. Let's now check what skills are available with my OpenClaw at the moment. OpenClaw ships with dozens of bundle skills, things like GitHub integration, Apple Notes, Notion, Obsidian, even home automation with Philips Hue. Most are marked as missing because they require specific CLI tools to be installed, but we can create our own custom skills very easily, and that is what I'm going to show you. So I'm just going down and showing you all the skills. Some of them are ready and some of them are not, as I said. Now you see that there are two skills which are ready. One is greetings, which I have just created, and I will show you how, and the MoltBook, which I'll tell you at the end. So let me now take you to my skills file. The way I have created it, I have just quickly, let me first show you. The first thing you need to do is to create this file. So you already have .openclaw, create a workspace directory, then skills directory, and then greetings file. So I'm just calling it like this, touch and greetings, and this is what this greetings look like. And skills.md file in the greetings directory. Now we'll also show you here. So this is the one. Now if you look here, this is the skill structure. The front matter defines the name and description, that's it. And below that we provide detailed instruction on when to use that skill and how to respond. So greeting and this, multilingual, when to use, a user has to be greeted in specific language. So these are the conditions which need to be met, and AI is going to decide. And then these are the different languages which is available for this model, and you can see that I have given it lot of languages, and then I have also given some example as how to do that. So if you think about it, we are just defining in a plain English what exactly skill is. AI is going to read it, and with the help of intelligence of model it is going to use that. This is how simple that is. Now you also need to make change in openclaw.json, which is this file, and it is at this path .openclaw and .openclaw.json, which we also saw in the previous videos. Now all you need to do is to insert this section in it. I already have shared the config file with you. I will again drop the link in video, in the first pinned comment, but make sure you just add this area. And again, a braces. All this is doing, it is defining a skill. It is, the name of skill is greetings, same as in the skills.md file. And then enable is true. You can also disable it by putting it false, and that's all about it. Now you have defined your skill. You have also given it to our OpenClaw, so everything is ready here. Now once you have done this skill, and if you have added or deleted or changed, you need to just restart that OpenClaw gateway. I already have restarted it, so I'm not going to do it again. If you want to check that if that skill is loaded or not, there are various ways. One is I already showed you. Other one is to just list the skills, and it showed you should show you that skill. There you go. So it is telling us that skill is ready, and you can greet the users there. And by the way, you can also of course do it through the onboarding uh, script which we ran at the start. Now another thing is that now if you want to test it out, just run that OpenClaw agent with some session ID, and I am asking it to greet me in Spanish. By the way, they also have a TTS skill in this, which sometimes get triggered because I think it is also a multilingual TTS. So all you need to do, so there you go. So you see, if you don't specify, in a proper text one, it just gives you this text TTS skill. You can either disable it or make your prompt bit more responsive. So I'm not going to disable the TTS one, but what I can do, I can just, explicitly, make my prompt, more grounded, like write the, greeting as text. Even this should be enough. I don't even have to tell it this. And you see, now it has triggered that skill and given me the response. So this is how easy it is to create your own skill. Now, one very interesting skill is MoltBook. It is just a social network of AI agents. It has nothing to do with OpenClaw. It's not affiliated with them. It is, you can just think of it like a Reddit for AI agents, autonomous AI assistant. So you can create a MoltBook skill. You could teach your OpenClaw agent how to post, comment, search, and interact with other AI agents in that community. And if I just go here, you see, all you need to do is to just create this skill. That's it. And this API key, you would need to go to MoltBook website. You just need to use this skill which they have given. Let me just go here and show you this skill. It's just a markdown file. That's it. This is what it looks like. Again, the one which I showed you, it is quite big and comprehensive. Lot of, stuff is there. I'm not going to go into the detail that how to use it, but you got the idea how can you use that skill. And then of course all you need to do is to enable it like this. That's it. Okay, if you're looking for more skills, ClawHub is something which is on their GitHub repo. So I think this is affiliated with OpenClaw. You can publish your skill or you can use any existing skill from here. So that's it. I hope that this was useful. Let me know, please. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Thank you for all the support.